Hey everyone, are you ready to share your story? Let's create a Snapchat account together in minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Snapchat account on your Android device. If you're new to Snapchat and want to join the fun, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Snapchat installed. Once you have it, tap the Snapchat icon to open the app. You'll see two options: log in if you already have an account and sign up if you're new. Since we're creating a new account, tap sign up. Now, we need to enter some information. First, you'll be asked for your name. Enter your first and last name and then tap done. Next, you need to enter your birth date. Make sure you enter your correct birth date, as this can be important for account recovery later. Now it's time to choose a username. This is how your friends will find you on Snapchat. Try to pick something memorable and easy to spell. Snapchat will suggest some usernames if your first choice is taken. If the username is available, you'll see a green check mark. If not, try another one. Once you've found an available username, tap continue. Now you need to create a strong password. Choose a password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've entered your password, tap continue. Snapchat will then ask you to verify your account using either your phone number or email address. Entering your phone number is generally recommended for account recovery and two-factor authentication. I use my phone number for this example. After you've entered it, tap continue or finish. Snapchat will send a verification code to your phone number via SMS. Once you've received it, enter the code in the app. If you don't receive the code, you can tap resend code. After verifying your account, Snapchat will suggest some friends you might know. You can add them now or skip this step and add friends later. I'll skip this for now. Snapchat might also prompt you to create a Bitmoji. This is a personalized avatar that you can use in your snaps. You can customize it now or skip it and do it later in the settings. I'll skip it for now. And there you have it. Creating a Snapchat account is easy. Now you can explore the app, add friends, and start sharing your snaps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.